back into the center lane. He wasn't already in the lane. He come up behind me and went back over in front of me. Other than that, that's the officer's recount is accurate.
I understand. All right, sir. Your work status, you still working?
Yes, sir.
What kind of work are you doing?
Aviation.
At downtown airport?
No, sir. At Donaldsonville.
Oh, Donaldson. Oh.
Time of this accident, turned 14 while he's in the hospital. He's still in the hospital. He broke his neck, his back, his arm, both kneecaps, some ribs, and had a brain bleed. It is a very, very serious injury. We're all hoping for the best, but to date, he hasn't, to give you just an example, he hasn't walked since this accident. So,
Is he awake?
He is awake, yes, sir. And so, you know, we're all just praying for the best.
After marking the scene with the other members of the reconstruction unit, I made contact with Mr. Gardner at the Green Memorial Hospital in Ashaken Farm. He was merging into the left-hand turn lane to turn left on North Pleasantburg. He told me he thought he heard a horn honk at him. He thought it come from his right. 2019 at approximately.
It was an incident where he got into a altercation with another driver, and he was trying very desperately to get away from that driver so that there wouldn't be further accidents or aggressive moves by the other driver. Unfortunately, the other driver is unknown. We have not been able to find him. But Mr. Gardner does, I just want to say, it feels awful that these children were injured. He isn't a scofflaw or somebody who has a lot of tickets. I think his last ticket was over 4 or 5 years ago. He's almost 58 years old, and we're just asking the court to give him some leniency and understand that he's here pleading guilty. He knows he did something wrong, but it really was just an accident. It's not an intentional thing. He obviously didn't mean to run off the road or cause any harm.
School bus. She's an injured party in this too, and that she witnessed her brother, you know, get catastrophically injured right in front of her eyes. And one of the things I noticed on the video that Officer Moore was kind enough to show me is her sprinting back up the street to go get help, and it really strikes home how horrible an event this was, obviously for welfare, but for her as well. So we would just concur with the solicitor's presentation. Thank you.
And Mr. Howland's father's here as well. If you'd like to come up here, the attorney, come up here and speak to the court about the young man's